Alright guys, we're going to go over B minor. So we have the Aeolian diatonic scale with my version here goes. We're going to take the whole diatonic mode scale to the end, and then we're going to resolve on that higher octave B. So slowly. Go a whole step, go to our high E, get this B minor arpeggio. Right where that half step turn back is, that's our relative major. We've got D major, so D major is relative to B minor. Now we can go a whole step. We've got Locrian right here. See, I'll just put them together. I did a harmonic minor in there. We'll go over that in a minute. So here's, so Locrian, we'll go half step Ionian. So when you get to the end of the diatonic scale, let's finish it off with a melodic sequence. With our bends and vibratos, and we can add harmonic minor in there, and I'll show you in a minute. Slowly. That's Ionian. If we're in B minor, we're going to resolve on a B, higher octave B. You know, there's 1,000 ways to resolve those. Here we've got a B minor arpeggio. We got one here, up to the root note, and right off the root note we got another one right there. And then after Aeolian, Dorian. We got Dorian there, and then we go whole step. Phrygian. Then we're gonna after Phrygian, we're gonna start over with Lydian. Mixolydian.